Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best countertop water dispenser on the market, the Brio Countertop self-cleaning bottleless water cooler dispenser with filtration. If you're looking for a convenient, sleek, and efficient way to get hot, cold, and room temperature water right from your countertop, this device could be exactly what you need. The Brio Countertop dispenser stands out because it connects directly to your tap water, eliminating the need for bulky water bottles. This bottleless design means you'll never have to worry about running out of bottled water or making trips to refill. What makes this model especially impressive is its built-in two-stage filtration system, which uses a 5-micron pre-carbon and sediment filter. This filtration system is designed to provide you with clean, pure water, removing impurities to enhance your hydration experience. One of the great perks included with this dispenser is the free replacement filters that come with it. You get a full year of filtration included, valued at $180, ensuring your water stays fresh without the immediate need for additional purchases. The filters are rated for 6 months or 1,500 gallons, giving you long-lasting protection and convenience. The Brio dispenser is versatile with 3 temperature options: hot, cold, and room temperature. Whether you want a refreshing cold drink, soothing warm water, or boiling hot water for tea or coffee, this machine has you covered. This tri-temperature functionality makes it ideal for any kitchen, office, or workspace where hydration needs vary. Installation is designed to be user-friendly and straightforward. The package includes a complete installation kit with pre-assembled tubing, adapters, and a shut-off valve, accompanied by clear instructions with illustrations. This means you can have your dispenser up and running quickly without complicated plumbing work. Another standout feature is the self-cleaning ozone system. With just the push of a button, the dispenser sanitizes its water tank and internal lines, ensuring your water remains hygienic and your device stays in pristine condition. This self-cleaning function reduces maintenance effort and enhances the longevity of your water cooler. In terms of design, the Brio Countertop water cooler is compact enough to fit on most countertops, measuring roughly 19.4 inches deep, 12.5 inches wide, and just under 20 inches tall. Its stainless steel and plastic construction offers a modern look that blends seamlessly with contemporary kitchens and office spaces. Plus, it is UL and Energy Star approved, meaning it meets strict safety and energy efficiency standards. The package you receive includes the dispenser itself, 2 filters, and the installation kit, giving you everything needed to get started right out of the box. When it comes to replacement filters, the Brio MIB200PKF 2-stage filter replacement kit is available to keep your water quality at its best over time. All in all, the Brio Countertop self-cleaning bottleless water cooler dispenser provides a hassle-free, stylish, and reliable hydration solution for anyone seeking filtered water at multiple temperatures without the bulk and mess of traditional bottled water coolers. If you want clean, refreshing water on demand, this dispenser offers excellent value and convenience. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in upgrading your hydration game, the Brio Countertop dispenser is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights and honest reviews.